The following interview contains commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.
When it comes to wealth building, there are some key things every investor should know, and they are less complicated than you might think when you have the support of the right team. Paladin Financial offers their clients personalized blueprints for creating wealth on any income. Thank you for joining us today on Minnesota and Company. I'm your host, Jessica Fix, and Paladin Financial's founder and investment advisor representative, Jeff Foley, is back. Thanks for coming.
Yes, hello.
Good to see you again. And I do want to tell everyone, you can scan that QR code on your screen right now, and it'll take you to a page where you can sign up to get a complimentary consultation.
Yes, yes.
Really, really nice way to go about things, right?
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Because, like I said, it's simple for people who are using Paladin to help them generate their wealth through time.
Correct, yes.
Okay, so let's get into some of those sort of more basic, simple explanations for investing right now.
Okay. Yeah, investing is really simple. It's taking some of your money and helping it to work over time so that it can grow. So by not spending some of your money today and instead investing it, you'll have more of it in the future. And investing involves using things like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, things like that to build long-term returns. And we want people to understand that investing doesn't have to be complicated. It needs to be consistent and in alignment with a person's goals.
I know, and consistency is something I think we're going to talk about in a little bit, right?
It does come up often.
Yes. Okay, so compounded interest, that's like one of the key things for really building wealth, right?
It is, yeah. Albert Einstein once said that it's the eighth wonder of the world. It's one of the most powerful concepts that we teach at Paladin Financial because it helps your money grow on itself. You're generating returns on both your original investment and the growth that it's created over time, and that can significantly accelerate your wealth. And the earlier you start, the bigger the impact. So that's very important, to start early, and it can add up over time.
I mean, who knew that Albert Einstein really knew more than just all of the science things, right?
Sharp guy.
Okay, and when it comes to wealth building, this is any income level that can really get started on that, right?
Yes.
How does that work?
Yeah, time is a big piece of it. Building wealth, it's not about how much income you make, it's about how consistently you save and invest. So what we do is we work with people to create realistic strategies based on their income and help them build habits that create long-term success. Some of the wealthiest people that we meet with never made significant incomes. They were consistent over a long period of time, and it paid off.
And when do you think people should start? Is it ever too late to get started or ever too early?
No, as soon as possible. I mean, we often hear people that feel like retirement is so far away that they don't want to start quite yet. Time is on your side if you let it be.
Okay. And there are some investing mistakes that people should know about,
Yes.
right? What do you have to say about mistakes and red flags people should avoid?
Common ones are people try to time the market. You have to time when to get in and when to get out. People don't have a plan, or they make emotional decisions based on headlines, or they don't diversify properly. They have too much invested in something. So you want to have a good game plan. And we oftentimes, as I mentioned, we talk to people in their 50s and 60s that tell us we're not ready to plan for retirement because it's too far down the road. Time is one of your biggest weapons in saving for retirement. So the earlier you start, the better. You don't want to make the mistake of waiting too long, and get that plan in place now.
And we are running out of time, but we do want to talk about the blueprints that you create for people so that they really are they don't have to think about it too much, right?
Yeah. It starts with having clear goals and then investing consistently, having a solid financial foundation, using an emergency fund and letting that build over time. And it's also about ongoing guidance because life is going to change. So we want to evaluate your plan and adjust it over time to make sure that it keeps on track. So we help people to stay disciplined, informed, and committed to a long-term strategy that works for them.
Jeff, it was so good to have you again. I know that you're going to come back because you have a lot of really good tips for everyone out there.
Thank you.
You can grab your phone right now, scan the QR code on your screen. It'll take you right to a page to get a complimentary consultation. Paladin Financial is located in Arden Hills, and you can call them at 651-842-8406 or visit paladinfinancial.com. We would like to thank Paladin Financial for sponsoring today's interview.